In this video, we will be showing you how Heise can improve the look of your golf cart. To prepare the surface, we recommend using alcohol prep wipes and adhesive promoter. Our Underglow kits can be installed using either the included cable ties or the clamps on self-tapping screws. The tape here is used for not just marking where the hole should be, but helps the bit from slipping, putting the hole exactly where you want it. Having a buddy help you mount a bar is so much easier than trying to do it yourself. Decals. They don't just add horsepower, but give our cart a finished look. More safe, more bright, more light. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit HeisseLED.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.